course, the Winter Olympics, they're well underway in Beijing, and there they have temperatures in the middle 20s. Of course, it's 13 hours ahead there, so not too far away from what they're going to be seeing for their afternoon highs. This is your Winter Olympics forecast brought to you by Wcyb. Good evening to you. Now, compare that to the Tri-Cities today. We were 56 degrees. Not quite like the 66 we had there yesterday, but my word, though, it's pretty nice. Intervals of sun and clouds mixing up throughout the day, but not too bad of a day across the Tri-Cities. Now, live out there at Pennington Gap, part of our Ashley camera network, we have temperatures in the 30s right now. Calm winds there, but by and large, we've seen kind of a west-northwesterly flow develop, and that has helped to usher in the colder weather. You'll see that here in Johnson City, part of our town view camera, a temperature of 45. That west wind at 7. So you know what I'm talking about. If you step out the door, it's cool, but it's not as cool as what we have had. It's still winter, by the way. But anyway, for tonight, you'll see temperatures pretty much in the Tri-Cities around 30 degrees. Temperatures pretty well in the lower to middle 20s over parts of southwest Virginia. So it is going to be a cool night. But also, we're seeing a few snow showers, snow flurries moving in as well. Now, you look at Power 5 Doppler radar, mostly for the Tri-Cities, it's been mostly just clear, just holding on to those clouds. But, you know, as far as Power 5 Doppler radar, a few light rain showers where it's warmer, but we have seen a few light snow showers earlier in Buchanan, Dickinson, and Wise counties. You compare that to the Tri-Cities, though, a few light sprinkles of anything, but by and large, it's mainly holding on to the mostly cloudy skies. We have that pretty strong cold front that's moved in. You see that northwesterly flow already ushering in that colder air behind that high pressure. And then I want to turn your attention to this disturbance right here. This is what's going to be bringing in a few snow showers as we move into the overnight hours. So with that, we also may see the possibility of a little bit of fog develop. That's why I'm putting the yellow light out there for your travel conditions. It's not going to be too bad, but still, you know, it only takes a few snow showers, a few snow flurries, and some fog. That can make, treacherous traveling, if I can get that out right. All right, we stopped the clock here on your future track around 11:15. You'll see some of those snow showers already moving in, and especially towards our north. For the Tri-Cities, as we head towards the morning hour, especially between 4 and 7, you'll see some of those snow showers kind of break out across the area. More of a northwesterly flow developing for the day, and then intervals of sun and clouds. We'll call it partly cloudy for your day on your Sunday. A few more snow flurries, though, with another disturbance that's going to move in for your Monday night. So, as far as snowfall totals with this, it's not going to be a big system by any means, especially towards our western counties. You look at Kingsport, probably just a dusting, if that. Now, for some of the Tri-Cities, maybe a dusting up to an inch as far as on our eastern side of the Tri-Cities, and then for some of our mountains, maybe 1 to 2 inches, but this is not going to be a big system in terms of snow. However, definitely with the cooler temperatures, you will notice the northwesterly flow. Already for our mountains, we stop the clock here at 12. You'll see the day, it already starts out with the morning with some heavier wind flow for the mountains. For the Tri-Cities, it's going to be a little bit later in the day, especially as you head towards the evening. That's when we can see an increase in our winds, and of course, just kind of driving the temperatures down. But, you know, what else is new? We've seen it all winter. Temperatures pretty much going to be 39 to 40, area-wide. Maybe temperatures only in the 30s, though, for southwest Virginia. So for your football forecast, cooling off pretty quick. Temperatures will fall, though, into the middle 30s pretty rapidly as we head Monday and Tuesday. Expect a warming trend. It is going to turn rather nice. Temperatures in the upper 50s as we head into Tuesday. Your next weather maker, though, is going to be a pretty good little area of rain that's going to develop. That's going to be advancing towards the Tri-Cities later on. Could wrap up as a few snow showers. You'll see it, though, on your 7-day forecast. A nice warming trend until then. Warming up, though, near 70 degrees and then cooling off behind that front.
Storm Track 5 weather cameras brought to you by your locally owned Ashley.